How we doing, buddy? Somebody just got in trouble. If you can tell, he's smelling that corner. Oh, sorry, day 15 in quarantine. My pet baboon is eating the side of the cage or house. Yeah, Papa, you can't eat that. You just got in trouble. You just got in trouble. If you notice, there's a little piece missing right there. And it's all wet right here. Somebody was chewing on it. And ripped it off. You can't eat wood. You're not a little wood chipper. You're not a wood chipper. See those little teeth? Those little teeth. See those little teeth? I love you. I love you. I love you. Hold on, I gotta cover the mic because the music. I don't want to get a copyright on the music. There we go. Hi, Boo Boo. And who's a good boy? Just looking out the window. I would put it closer, but then he jumps on this part and tries eating the wood and the plexiglass. Yes, this is plexiglass. Because he kept on eating the blinds. So I had to protect the blinds from the little baboon. You, my little baboon. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. No, I love you. Oh, I love you. Oh, I get you, little ball. No, I love you. Oops, sorry. Oh, I love you. Oh, I love you. I love you. I know the music's down. I know you like the music. Who's a good boy? Who's a good boy? Where are you going? What, you hear something? That's the dryer. That's the dryer. Hopefully everybody's doing good. Day 15, Monday. I've been working since about 9:30. All is good. Somebody's been getting in trouble a couple of times, but that's normal. That's every day. Hopefully, where'd he go? I lost my animal. There you are. All right, guys. I'll wait till he wakes up in about an hour or two and then post another video. All right, guys. Have a good one.